Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your conversation on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord is a free-to-access chat app similar to Slack or Skype that allows users to chat in real time using text, voice, or video. Initially created for video gamers to interact with each other while playing games, Discord has grown in popularity with over 100 million users currently. The app hosts server or chat rooms on different topics. However, games, music, anime, and memes tends to be the most popular. So what if you want to delete chat or conversation on your Discord? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Discord. Now you can just open your conversation. Now after that, you can choose on the conversation that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete the conversation with this one, Kain. You can just click right on here. And there is an option close DM. You can just select on that. You can select on close DM. So now that conversation has been removed from your Discord chat rooms conversation. It's very simple, right? Then maybe this one too. You can click right on the chat, select on close DMs, or maybe you can do like this. You can open the chat like this, select on the three dots, maybe open like this. You don't need you can just do like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete conversation on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.